Hello and welcome to this video on mindfulness skills training. Before watching this video, please familiarize yourself with the terms and conditions of use. The clinician's terms and conditions are located in a pinned post on the community page of this channel. Your continued viewing constitutes your agreement to the terms and conditions. This video is just one in a series of videos that are included in the Clinician's Masterclass in Mindfulness. The Mindfulness Masterclass is one part of a broader health and wellness program. The Health and Wellness Program is one part of the Clinician's Therapy Program and Universal Treatment Plan for clients of James Fitzgerald Therapy, a professional limited liability corporation. The Clinician's Therapy Program and Health and Wellness Program is called Strengthening Your Conscious Self, copyright protected in 2022. You're also invited to watch any of the other videos on the Clinician's channel. In this video, you'll learn a foundational mindfulness skill from dialectical behavior therapy called observing. Observing is one of the mindfulness skills in DBT, alongside describing and participating. These skills are essential in building mindfulness and increasing our ability to stay grounded, centered, and aware in the present moment. In this video, we'll explore the observing skill in depth, understand why it's important, and discuss how you can practice observing to develop a greater awareness of your experiences without judging it or overanalyzing it. Whether you're just starting with mindfulness or looking to deepen your practice, this skill can offer a powerful way to become more connected with yourself and your surroundings. So why does observing matter? Observing is a grounding skill that allows us to pause, acknowledge our experience, and make intentional choices rather than reacting impulsively. When we observe our experiences, we build a kind of mental distance that helps us gain perspective. This skill is particularly helpful for people who feel emotionally overwhelmed, experience intense emotions, or have difficulty managing impulsive behaviors. By practicing observing, you can become more resilient, more adaptable, and more compassionate toward yourself. Let's look at some ways you can practice observing. To start, find a quiet place to sit or lie down where you won't be disturbed. Take a few deep breaths and allow yourself to focus on what you notice right now in the present moment. First, let's begin with something simple, your breath. Notice the sensation of the air as it enters your nose or mouth and fills your lungs, and then notice how it leaves your body. Just observe the rhythm of your breath without trying to change it. If your mind starts to wander, gently bring it back to the sensation of breathing. Next, bring your awareness to your body. Notice any sensations you feel: warmth, tingling, tension, relaxation. Just observe what's happening in each part of your body, without judging or trying to change it. If you notice discomfort or tension, acknowledge it and let it be there without pushing it away. Now, allow yourself to observe any emotions that are present. Maybe you feel calm, maybe you feel anxious, or maybe there's a combination of emotions. Whatever comes up, let it be there without trying to label or analyze it. Simply notice the emotion and how it feels in your body. Lastly, observe your thoughts. Notice each thought as it enters your mind and then let it go, almost like watching clouds pass by in the sky. Try not to latch on to any one thought or evaluate it. Just observe and let it go. Remember, the goal here isn't to control your breath, your body, or your mind. The purpose of observing is simply to notice what's happening right now and let it be. Observing is about witnessing your experience with curiosity and openness without any effort to change, fix, or suppress anything. This non-judgmental awareness is essential to effective mindfulness practice and DBT. It's normal to face challenges when you're first learning to observe without judgment. Some common obstacles include getting caught up in your thoughts, feeling restless, or experiencing frustration when difficult emotions come up. When this happens, gently remind yourself that it's okay to notice whatever comes up without needing to act on it or get rid of it. Be patient and compassionate with yourself. Observing is a skill that develops over time with consistent practice. If you find it challenging to stay focused, remember that observing is not about achieving a perfect state of stillness. In fact, distractions are a natural part of the process. When you notice that your mind has wandered, simply bring it back to observing again and again without frustration or judgment. Each time you bring your attention back, you're strengthening your mindfulness muscle. Observing isn't only for structured practice sessions. You can also apply this skill in everyday situations. Try observing when you're waiting in line, eating a meal, or even during a conversation. Notice the sights, sounds, and smells around you, or tune into your thoughts and emotions. This simple act of observing throughout the day can help anchor you in the present moment, and over time, it will become more natural. Observing can be profoundly transformative. When we let ourselves experience the present moment without reacting or judging, we create room for greater self-awareness, self-compassion, and peace. The skill of observing allows us to meet life's challenges with a steady mind, rooted in the present and free from unnecessary suffering. To strengthen this skill, aim to practice observing daily, even if only for a few minutes at a time. The more you practice, the easier it will become to notice your experiences as they are, and the greater impact it will have on your ability to manage stress and difficult emotions. Thank you for watching this video on the DBT Mindfulness What Skill of Observing. We hope this introduction encourages you to incorporate observing into your mindfulness practice and experience the benefits it brings. Remember, each moment is an opportunity to observe, to notice, and to grow in mindfulness. Take care, and we'll see you in the next video.